In this program, we're going to use a variable to determine how quickly an LED blinks. We're also going to use the serial monitor that's built into the Let's Start Coding editor so that we can see how the code interprets the value of a variable. Above the void setup function, we're going to create the variable. And the first step there is to determine what type of variable you want to use. This is an int variable that stands for integer, and that means it's a whole number with no decimals. Next, you name the variable. I'm naming it wait because it's going to substitute in for a delay time, and that's easy for me to remember and type. Next, you'll use an equals sign and set a starting value for your variable. Our starting value is going to be 1000. Within the void setup function, use the pin mode function with the arguments to and output to set your LED up as an output. You also need to start the serial monitor by using the begin function and giving it an argument of 9600. Within the void loop, use the digital write function with the arguments to and high to turn on the LED light. Then delay for a wait amount of time. When the computer sees this variable, it's going to look at the value of the variable and substitute that in. So we want to delay for 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. Our next line of code is a serial.println or println function that will show on the serial monitor whatever is between its parentheses. So the argument we're giving to the serial.println function is wait. In the past, when we've shown text on the serial monitor, we've put that in quotation marks. But we're not doing that this time. We're actually showing the value of a variable. So we just want the variable name in between the parentheses. The next line of code is a digital write function with the arguments to and low that's going to turn off the LED. We'll delay again for wait amount of time, which in this case is 1000 milliseconds or 1 second, before the program reaches the closing curly brace of the void loop, jumps back up and runs this digital write function again. So let's upload this code and open the serial monitor and scroll down from the code editor to see how this program interprets the value of the variable. You can see here that even though we are serial printing the wait variable, the computer sees the number. It doesn't see the word. So we're just substituting in a number for a word. If we go back up to our program, we can very quickly change the value of wait from 1000 to 100, upload that code to our maker board, and open the serial monitor again, and now we can see that the LED is blinking 10 times as fast and the serial monitor is printing out 100 for the value of wait.